Hello and welcome to El Macho's presentation on turning in a Google Classroom's assignment. This is for iPads only. Get out of here with your Chromebooks. First thing you do, open your assignment. Then, in the bottom right-hand corner, click Assigned. A screen's gonna pop up and say, are you gonna mark this as done? No, you're not done! You haven't turned anything in yet. Click Add Attachment. Now, if you're trying to make a video, you can then create a video. Otherwise, you'll have to delve further into your photo roll and find something you've already created. But first, give it permission to access your camera by clicking OK. Then, give it permission to access your microphone by clicking OK. Then, you will have access to your camera where you will be able to shoot all sorts of scenic panoramas. When you're done, it will give you a video file. It will say, are you done? Do you want to use the video? In the bottom right corner, click yes. Use that video. Then, you have to wait patiently while it uploads to your assignment. When it's done uploading, it will be attached. You can see this by looking at the top, where it will give you the name of your attachment. Then are you done? No! You gotta click turn in to turn it in. Then are you done? No, you're not done! Comment and tell your teacher how awesome you are. Do this by typing in I am awesome, ... and clicking the small paper airplane on the right-hand side. Then are you done? Yeah, you're done! You know how to turn in a Google Classroom assignment! Ah!